This is the Mayadevi Temple, the birthplace of the Buddha and a place Buddhists worldwide hope to visit one day. Every month, on the 24th day of the lunar calendar, Siji volunteers gather here to recite the Sutra of Innumerable Meanings. This June, about 150 people took part.
बुद्धको देशनाहरू चाहिँ अहिलेको अवस्थामा पनि अहिलेको अवस्थामा कति धेरै युजफुल हुन्छ र कति यसले फाइदा गर्छ हाम्रो अहिलेको जीवनमा अहिले आधुनिक जीवनमा पनि भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ फिल गराउँदछ यसले गर्दाखेरि एकदम शान्त अनि एकदम शैलीन अलि एकदम पीस फिल हुँदछ यहाँ आएर पाठ गर्दाखेरि
Lumbini volunteers once knew little about the sutra, but through regular recitations, they have gradually come to understand the deeper meaning of the text. They also hope to put the Buddha's teachings into practice in the future.
The Dharma can come in different forms, but at the end, the main thing that Dharma does is clean. So we have to follow the Dharma in the right way. So that's what I'm trying to practice in my life too.
पहिला त त्यस्तो केही थाहा थिएन अहिले त अब सूत्र चेन्टिङबाटै भनौं न अरु धेरै कुरा राम्रो छ तर अब जस्तै एउटा बोधिसत्वको बाटो हिँड्नलाई अब अरुसँग माया प्रेम गर्ने
发这个菩提心呢，就是人人要走入人群，那才能从人群当中看到每一个人的众生的身相。 那从当中去学习，这人群中呢，就是有我们的大良福田，就是有我们可以去植福的地方，去造福的地方。
At the sacred birthplace of the Buddha, everyone sincerely recited the Sutra of Innumerable Meanings. They not only helped share the Buddha's teachings, but also passed down his wisdom across time and space. ITV reports.